And welcome to Studio Video. I'm your friendly host, James Thomas. This is where I introduce you to fashion models and photographers. I demonstrate how I draw their charcoal portraits, then hopefully set some dope art on your walls. So if that's interesting, please like and subscribe for more continual content. Gang, just a reminder, there's still time to get your custom charcoal portraits in time for a Christmas gift. You know who I'm talking about. Alright, well today we're back in the saddle. We're going to feature our lovely and talented model, Hannah Morgan out of South Carolina. And we also have this amazing and talented photographer, Jay, who's also out of Charleston, South Carolina. I'll have all their contact information down below in the description as links, so guys, for bookings, please hit them up. This is the photo we'll be drawing from. Please notice how these shadows wrap around her face and expose the brightest highlights, especially on those nose and lips. Gang, if you've been watching me for a year, you know I'm a sucker for these photos, when the lights just hit right and the model's just spitting out attitude. Well guys, let's see how this turns out.
Love you now.
Boom! Here's Hannah, folks. This turned out proper, and it still holds that femme fatale vibe. I decided to play around with the composition some and leave a lot of the form out to try to gain some dynamicism. For a really cool effect. Hannah and Jay, here's a big virtual hug out to both of you. Thank you guys for being such great sports. Hopefully I've done both your talents some justice with this piece. Viewers, follow their links below and show them some love. Gang, this is just another reminder that there's still time to get your custom charcoal portraits in time for a Christmas gift. Just follow one of the links down below in the description to get you started. Please like and subscribe for more continual content, and until next time, sketch you later.